Good morning, everybody. Hope your morning proves to be fruitful.
Hello.
Just made it into Rhode Island. About half a mile up is the highest point in the state. It's a blisteringly high, 800 some feet. 812. This is the high point of Rhode Island. Not exactly the place you come to get a view.
Too high.
Some rocks over here. Give it the old classic.
Are we here?
You did it.
This is it?
Yep. Alright guys, come with me. Let's summit Rhode Island.
I did it. Ooh.
And we're done. Oh, it's like the Maryland high point where you can write your name down. Yay, we did it.
What does it say?
Follow at Beyond This Band on Instagram, Rock Metal Band at Opalus15 on Instagram.
I looked back because I was like, why are you moving the camera? Woo!
Always a blast at Jerimoth Hill. Now we're headed to Slater Mill in Blackstone Valley. It's the birthplace of the American Industrial Revolution. And Mom is still attached to Jerimoth Hill. Here's a cool graphic of how water works. I don't want to read all that. Just reiterating what I already told you all. I also do believe Family Guy takes place either in Pawtucket or close to Pawtucket. Future Taylor, verify that for me. Cool, thanks.
I'm sorry, that part of the mill is not open yet.
Okay.
Oh, you know, I never knew whether it was supposed to like when I officially started or when I get. And I always come early just in case.
Every door we went behind, that lady came by and was like, "Hey, excuse me, that's not part of the tour you can go on. It's part of the guided tour." Alright, then put things up around the building that show you can't come here without a pass or something. Big fan of Brown University.
It's pretty. It's brown.
What do you think about it relative to Princeton and Yale?
Yale's better.
Yale's better.
Prettier.
Now we're a little ways up the road. We're going to see the nice Capitol building here in Providence and then head on our way. didn't have the nicest handwriting. Hard to read all this. Looks like it left it out in the rain too. It's not good. Still in Providence, right off the highway here. Going to Caserta Pizza to get some pizza strips. Remind me of that Vine where the guy's like, chicken strips! Chicken strips!
You have Providence already, Mr. You look fantastic.
Hungry?
You're gonna have to be. It's the size of the table. Rhode Island does a commendable job at their pizza, those pizza strips. I didn't know it would be that big. It was definitely half the kitchen.
Any thought-provoking thoughts?
Hey There Delilah was written about a random girl he met at like a coffee shop.
You didn't even know her?
I mean, like he talked to her for 10 minutes and he was like, alright, bye. And then he wrote a song about her. It's really creepy. It's as if they have this big developed relationship and no. Now at the Ferry People place, one of those big things is where we'll go on most likely. Check them out. It's like a mini cruise ship. Alright, we just got on the island here. It's a pretty little area. We're going to see the Mohegan Bluffs, which are this way. And also a few lighthouses if time allows. It's surreal to be walking next to water for as far as the eye can see. Walking on a main road, it's just ocean. I'm gonna try and go down this way. And down. We slide down maybe. Yeah. So you sliding down the thing?
I did.
Did you catch it?
I didn't get it on video, but I got pictures.
24/7 panorama as you're walking back towards where you need to go, even though you're not looking at the sand itself.
You don't do it that way, Mom. Get to one side. Get to one side.
Headed back now on the ferry back to normal Rhode Island.